It's really easy to do a linear regression or a best fit line in Excel. I've got some data here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of the data, including the headings. I'm just clicking, dragging, or clicking, holding, and dragging. Once I've got that, I want to insert a scatter plot. So I'm going to go ahead and insert. I'm choosing the scatter plot right here, insert scatter plot. And then I want to add a chart element. So I'm going to click on the plus sign. The chart element that I want is the trend line. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that trend line. If I click the arrow, it gives me a few more options, and I do want it linear. If I click on more options, it's going to let me also customize this. So I want to show not just the trend line, but I also want to show the equation on the chart, and I want to display that R squared value or the correlation coefficient. So now I've got my linear regression, I've got the equation, and I've got the correlation coefficient. Please hit like if this was helpful. Take a look at my other videos too. I've got lots on Excel, and thanks so much for watching.